for watching. Today we're opening up the August Fruit for Thought box. So this box is so cute. It's a monthly subscription and every month has a theme that's revolved around like fruit and vegetables. If I recall correctly, I believe the August box is like creamsicle themed. So I can't wait to see what's inside. It's all like lifestyle items. If you guys are interested in subscribing, I will leave a link below. But before we get unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so as a big thank you, I have a big giveaway going on. If you guys have not yet entered, I will leave a link at the end of this video so you can click that and enter after we unbox this one. So let's get this open and see what's inside. Oh, I forgot to mention I do have a promo code. Non-affiliated, but I believe you save 10%, so I'm going to leave the pricing, the promo code, the link, and all of that in the description box. I always love how they wrap it. It's so cute. Look at the bright orange tissue paper, which totally goes with the theme if I recall correctly. And then the ribbon is fruit. So adorable. Yep, I did remember correctly. The August theme, orange creamsicle. And then it gives you a sneak peek. So the September theme will be apple cider donut. That sounds really good. So on the back it tells you a little bit about the items. It doesn't give pricing or anything like that. It says, we are in the thick heat of summer and what better than a cold orange creamsicle. A box full of gifts and treats with orange creamsicle, scented, flavored, and colored gifts. I can't even remember the last time I had like creamsicle. Like, it sounds really good though. Everything's under swigglies. Let's pull something out. The very first thing I see is a little creamsicle pin by Studio Pop. So cute. Ignore my gross nails. I'm giving them a break. Creamsicle sounds really good right now. And next up, we have something by Pure Sugar Candy. These are candy cubes in creamsicle flavor. Oh my God, I don't think I've ever had anything like this. Yum, now I get to taste creamsicle soon. That sounds really good. This will be like my dessert tonight. Oh my God, they're doing so well staying on theme. This is the next item. Literally looks like a creamsicle on a stick. I don't know what this is yet, but this is by Kinsey Cakes Bath, the cast iron soap cream pop. It says it can be used with a stick, or to remove the stick, hold the soap firmly and forcefully pull and wiggle the stick until it's out. And to use the soap bar lather and a washcloth, just use it like soap. Can't really smell it, I think. This is so cute. Oh my God. Sometimes when I get super cute soaps, I just want to like leave them in their wrapping and display them or like re-gift them. This is so adorable. Seriously, so far everything is perfectly on theme. Yay, I get so excited every time I get a candle. I don't know, I just go through candles so fast and I love them. And this one is by Inglenook Waxworks and the scent is Orange Squeeze. I love citrus candle scents too. I think I have an orange one going right in the other room. So this is what it looks like, if you can even tell. It's pretty reflective. Oh, it smells so good. I love the scent of oranges. You guys can just imagine fresh squeezed orange. That's seriously what it sounds like. Now, what is this? Orange creamsicle. Simply place in the refrigerator for 5 minutes and I am back. What does that mean? I don't know exactly what this is. I haven't been referring to this little sheet, but let's see. Oh, I think this is edible. It says if you've ever had an orange creamsicle as a child or yesterday, this fudge is it. A delicious gourmet fudge slice by Bavarian Chocolatier of orange and vanilla fudge dipped in white chocolate and topped with a candy orange slice. We suggest refrigerating before eating. 3-month shelf life, but we know it won't last long. Wow, I'm surprised mine's perfectly formed and it's super hot here, but I do have the air blasting. This must be it because it has the orange slice. It looks like white chocolate. Oh my gosh. This box is making me hungry. I mean, it is like 5 p.m. getting close to dinner time, but yeah. Ooh, oh my god, I love these. So this is what I think, let me see, am I right? Yeah, so this is like a reusable paper towel, and look, it's an orange. I love these. These are super absorbent and reusable and way better for the environment than paper towels. I actually stopped purchasing paper towels and I have a bunch of reusable ones now, so this is perfect. This is by Wet It. It says efficiency with style, perfect for any cleaning job. It's dishwasher safe, machine washable, bleach when needed. It's made out of 70% cellulose, 30% cotton. It absorbs 16 times its weight, eco-friendly, super absorbent. So that's great. Yeah, you just throw it in the wash. That's how my other ones are too. So if you guys haven't tried something like this, I highly suggest it, because once I started using stuff like this, I realized how many paper towels I use a day. I'm like constantly grabbing them to clean something or when I'm eating, so this stuff definitely helps you cut back. You can help our earth out a little bit. Any little way counts, and seriously, every single item has been dead on with the theme. I am impressed. Let's see, is there anything else? I think that's everything. Yep, that is everything, you guys. I think this box is great. I think it's the first time, like they always stay really well on theme, but this was like dead on. So again, how cute is this? Love it. I can't wait to try this orange creamsicle fudge and these little like pure sugar candy cubes. I don't really know, are these gonna be like chewy or? Yeah, it says it's made with tapioca syrup, maybe. Only 10 calories. I don't want to know how many calories are in this. And then this wonderfully scented orange candle, super cute creamsicle soap, and a little pin with a little creamsicle on it. So awesome. This box is adorable. I love how unique it is. I love opening subscription boxes, obviously, but I love when some boxes are, you know, different, and this one definitely stands out and is unique. So I love this, and I can't wait for the next one. What was it? Apple cider? Apple cider donut. Nice. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, I will leave the link down below, and definitely make sure to use that code to save 10% off your first box. Thank you so much for being here and opening this with me, and thank you so much to my channel members. Your support really means so much to me. And if you guys are interested in learning more about channel membership, there's always a link down below if you want to learn more or join and help support the channel. But if not, I know it's hard times. I totally understand. Just you being here watching really is amazing, and I appreciate you so much. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.